One of the best chicken parmesans you're ever gonna have. Check out how I made it. First thing you're gonna need is a little plastic wrap over your chicken. Then you're gonna need yourself one of these and we're gonna pound it out. Flip them over and do it again. Now you're gonna need a little bit of flour, a couple eggs. I've never been good at cracking eggs. And some panko breadcrumbs. Mix your eggs. Now that's what you call an egg wash. Now we're gonna flavor our panko with a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of spicy. All right, now we're ready to fry. Before we get to frying, the first thing we wanna do is get our noodles going. So let's start boiling our water. And don't forget to salt it. While our water is heating up, you can go on and get your tomato sauce heated up as well. And that stuff's the bomb, by the way. Sauce is warming up, water's starting to boil. Now let's get our pan nice and hot and add our oil in. Check these things out. They're little frozen basil pellets. I found them at the store. We're gonna add a couple of those. Water's boiling, add your rigatoni. Oil's heated up, let's fry. All right, it's been about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Looking perfect. All right, it's been about 3 minutes on each side. Now we're gonna set this over on our baking dish. I wouldn't typically show you this, but I'm doing this just for the sake of the video. You'll see that this chicken is not all the way cooked. See, there's still a little pink in there. That's exactly where you want it because we want this to be super tender. We don't want to end up overcooking it. So now, let's do this. Get our sauce. You want it heated up so you're not putting it on cold. Put it right over the top. We had some pepperonis, so we're gonna throw that on there. Yes, you know what that is? That's me freestyling in the kitchen once again. Now we're gonna top it with mozzarella cheese. Big handful. And now you gotta do this. Seasoning, that's the cream top. Put a bunch of that on there. And some red pepper flakes. This goes into our 400-degree oven. All right, our chicken's in the oven looking awesome. We're gonna taste these noodles real quick, see where they're at. We're looking for a al dente, right where we want to be. Get your little pasta water. Strain them. Do not rinse them underwater. Straight back into your pot. Now in we go with our sauce. Pasta water, like that. We're gonna go in with some more seasoning. Key word, gently fold this in. You don't want to break all your noodles. We like to try and keep it pretty. All right, it's time to get our chicken. Look at that, my friends. That looks amazing. I'm excited. Oh, we just played it on up, just like that. All right, I'm going in right here. Look at that perfectly cooked chicken. Got the sauce trapped underneath that little bite. Oh my. Mamma mia. Wow, the seasoning on top of the cheese with the red pepper flakes, that is out of control. That's a 10 out of 10, and I definitely do it again exactly like that. Yum, yum, get you some. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.